big green tractor! It's tractor time! Woo! We went back on!
She had a shiny little beamer with the rack top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, "You all get in." She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. Said, "What you wanna do, baby? I don't care. We can go to the show, we can stay right here. I can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, make it go faster. Down through the woods, down to the pasture. Long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. I'ma feel alive and drive if you want to. You know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Said we can fire it up and I can show you around. Said I'm gonna watch the sun go down. When the fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out, we can turn on the lights and head back to the house. So we can take another ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow, make it go faster. Down through the woods, down to the pasture. Long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. I'ma live a life and drive if you want to. You know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor.
Go for a ride on my big green tractor, Megan. You gotta go for a ride on my big green tractor, Diane. Oh yeah! Woo! Drive. We can go slow! We can go faster! Down to the woods! And down to the pasture! As long as I'm with you! It really don't matter!
Drive if you want to, you know you got me to hold on to. You can go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor.
You know it!
Oh yeah.
This song is Mom. And I gotta ask you a question. Do you want to go for a ride on my big green tractor? Oh my yes! Right, big green tractor. Raise your hand if you have a big green tractor. Woo!
My big green tractor.
Now who want to go on Lynch? That we gotta settle that